Are you having trouble connecting to Apple CarPlay? Well, here is 10 quick fixes you must try before you bring your car to the dealership. This should get you back up and running. Let's get started with tip number one. Tip number one is making sure you're using a proper cord. Typically, you need your original iPhone cord that came with your car. The cord you got from the gas station or the dollar store is not gonna do. Make sure you have the proper cord. Make sure it is an Apple cord so it works. Tip number two, often a quick restart of your phone is going to get you back up and running and fix many minor glitches. Sounds basic, but if you haven't done this already, restart your phone and hopefully that should solve your problem. Tip number three could happen right when you plug your phone in here. So right now we're in a Nissan Rogue. When I plug my phone in, it's going to ask if I want to connect with Apple CarPlay. And you can see here if it says don't ask anymore. If I hit no on this screen, which I'm gonna do now, and this don't ask anymore is selected, it will never connect. So maybe you're in a rental vehicle and as you're plugging your phone in, you can see now it's not connecting. That could occur. So someone might have clicked that. To solve that problem, you need to go into your settings and you need to do a factory reset on the car. So go into the settings, usually it's in other or about, and restore your settings to the factory. And now you see it's prompting me again, and I want to deselect don't ask anymore. Now, speaking of Apple CarPlay, this is the AutoCast AI box, and they're the sponsor of today's video. The question I get all the time on my channel, can I connect my car to Apple CarPlay wirelessly if my car is only equipped for wired, or Android Auto if it's wired? Can I watch Netflix in my car? Can I watch YouTube in the car? And I've always been saying no, but now AutoCast has sent me the solution, which is the AutoCast AI box. Woo! You can use my discount code UNLOCK10 and it's going to save you some money at checkout. Tip number four occurs right on the phone here, guys. So you want to go into your phone settings and you want to make sure your CarPlay is enabled. So for that, you're going to go General. You're going to click on CarPlay and see here, you want to make sure your car is up here where it says My Car, and you want to hit My Rogue. If your car's not coming up, you want to delete any other car, but make sure that it is ready and enabled on the phone settings. Tip number five also occurs on the phone. You want to make sure Siri is enabled. CarPlay won't work without Siri, so you want to make sure all your Siri settings are enabled, and you want to make sure that everything is turned on with your Siri. Tip number six, you want to be sure that it uses Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. So if your Wi-Fi or Bluetooth is not turned on, you want to make sure they're both turned on. Your Bluetooth is already paired with your car, and that should get it going. You also want to make sure your phone is up to date. So you can do this in your Apple phone settings. You're going to go General and you're going to hit Software Update. You want to make sure you're checking for updates and your phone has the latest version downloaded. Okay, so if you have automatic updates on, that's great, but make sure your phone is updated. If you're still not up and running by now, tip number 8, you want to unpair your car from the Bluetooth. So I would just delete your phone from Bluetooth and then reconnect it to Bluetooth. That's usually going to fix a lot of problems. Tip number 9 is maybe your Apple CarPlay is not turned on in your car. So here, if we go to connections and we find our iPhone there, you can see the CarPlay. We need to select the CarPlay and make sure it is connected here and everything is connected for the smartphone and our startup options. So that is a quick way to get back up and running. The last tip, we mentioned this quickly, if you still can't get it going, you want to reset your car to factory settings. So normally this is found in the settings of your car. and you're gonna go into here. It's in other, it might be about, most likely it's in other, and you're gonna return all settings to default. This restores the car to factory settings, wipes out any data from the car. My final tip, if your car is still not connecting to your phone, try troubleshooting it with a friend's phone. Get a different phone, maybe your wife's, connect it, see if their phone connects to the car. If their phone is connecting to the car, you know it's a problem with their phone. If their phone isn't connecting to the car, you know it's a problem with the car, and you need to do some of those car tips that I mentioned. So hopefully this helps you get back up and running. If we did help you, please give us a thumbs up, put a comment what your problem is. Maybe I can help you in the comments. We'll see you guys in the next video.